Okay, so students, we have the competition, and in this competition, you will be given 1 minute to explore yourself. I will just ask you few sentences that will be based on all the things that we have taught you, and we'll check how you are going to translate them. So, are you all ready?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Okay, first I just want to know your name. What's your name?
I'm Janvi.
Janvi. Janvi, let me know first about your school. In which class do you study?
I'm just recently promoted in 7th standard.
7th standard. Okay, Janvi, your journey with Persona, how many days you completed here?
So I have completed approx 2 months in Persona.
2 months in Persona.
Yeah.
So have you improved yourself in this 2 months?
Yeah, I improve a lot in myself.
Okay, that's good. So today I will be asking you some sentences that you have to translate. Okay.
Yeah.
मुझे पढ़ाई करनी है.
I have to study.
Okay, मुझे अपने आप को इम्प्रूव करना है.
I have to improve myself.
आप अपने आप को क्यों इम्प्रूव करना चाहते
Why do you want to improve yourself?
हैं? आप कल कहाँ थे?
Where were you yesterday?
मुझे याद है कल मैं ना अपने दोस्तों के साथ था, कुछ कर रहा था, मुझे याद नहीं क्या.
I remember I was with my friend yesterday and I was doing something but I don't remember. But I
don't remember what I was doing.
Yeah.
आपको पता होना चाहिए आप क्या कर रहे थे.
You should know what you were doing.
मुझे याद नहीं रहता.
I don't remember.
I don't remember. आपको बोलना चाहिए जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ.
You should speak what I'm speaking.
मैं आपके जैसे नहीं बोल सकता. आप एक अच्छे स्पीकर हैं.
I cannot speak like you because you are a good speaker.
Okay. क्या आप यहाँ रोज आते हो?
Do you come here daily?
क्या आपको यहाँ आना पसंद है?
Do you like to come here?
आपको इंग्लिश सीखनी चाहिए.
You should learn English.
आपने इंग्लिश कहाँ से इम्प्रूव की?
From where you improve your English?
From where did you? मैंने अपनी इंग्लिश परसोना इंग्लिश इंस्टीट्यूट से इम्प्रूव की.
I improved my English from Persona Institute.
मुझे याद है मैंने ना अपने समर कैंप के 2 महीने 3 महीने परसोना इंस्टीट्यूट में स्पेंड किया और अपने आप को नेक्स्ट लेवल पर इम्प्रूव किया.
I remember I spent two or 2.5 months in Persona and I improved myself.
Okay, that's good. Now I just want to know about co-education. What do you think about co-education?
Okay, so if I talk about co-education, so co-education is a platform or education system where girls and boys learn together, and it helps them to improve their vocabulary, improve their communication skill, and boost up their confidence. Because as we can see in the future, most of the people have to deal with the opposite gender, and nowadays most of the people are confident to just deal with the opposite gender. Why? Because the only reason is that because of the co-education system.
Okay, so you believe that co-education is good?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Clapping for her. Wow. Now we have the next participant. What's your name?
My name is Aradhya Kaushinde.
Aradhya Gausinde. So Aradhya, how many days you have completed in Persona?
I have completed almost 2 months in Persona.
2 months you have completed, and how your journey has been? I mean, in these 2 months, the kind of things that you've learned.
So it was very nice, but when I just started coming to Persona, I was like very nervous.
Okay.
And I was just fully introvert that time.
Mm-hmm.
And I am introvert today also, but I'm not that much as I was that time. Like
Okay. But now you are enough confident to speak.
Yes,
But in
sir.
the beginning you were very introvert.
Yes, sir.
That's good. So now you have improved, and let's see how you translate the sentence.
Yes, sir.
So I'm just asking you some sentences. मैंने बोलना शुरू कर दिया है.
I have started speaking.
Okay. मैंने वहाँ जाना बंद कर दिया क्योंकि मुझे लगा कि मुझे वहाँ नहीं जाना चाहिए.
I have stopped going there because I think that I should not go there.
I thought I should not go there. आपको यहाँ आते रहना चाहिए.
You should come here. You should keep coming here.
You should keep coming here. बोलना जरूरी है क्योंकि बिना बोले हम अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर सकते.
Speaking is necessary because without speaking we cannot improve ourselves.
हम अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर सकते.
We cannot express ourselves.
आप कहाँ थे कल?
Where were you yesterday?
कल मैं यहीं थी.
I was here only.
मैं अपनी इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव कर रही थी.
I was improving my English.
मैं यहाँ रोज आती हूँ.
I come here daily.
आप यहाँ कब आती हैं?
When do you come here?
सर मैं यहाँ 4 o'clock को आती हूँ और 8 o'clock के यहाँ से जाती हूँ.
I come here 4 o'clock and I go from here at 8 o'clock.
आपको यहाँ रोज आना चाहिए.
You should come here daily.
आपको इंग्लिश सीखने की जरूरत है.
You need to learn English.
आप कहाँ थी?
Where were you?
आप कहाँ जा रही हैं?
Where are you going?
आप कहाँ जाओगी?
Where will you go?
आपने क्या बोला?
What did you speak?
आप कैसे बोलोगी?
How will you speak?
आप कहाँ जाना चाहती हो?
Where do you want to go?
Okay. मेरे लिए कुछ भी कठिन नहीं है.
There is nothing tough for me.
There is nothing tough for me. आप सब कुछ कर सकते हो अगर आप चाहो तो.
You can do everything if you want.
बोलने की कोशिश करो.
Try to speak.
आप गलती नहीं कर रही हो, मैं जानता हूँ.
You are not making mistake. I know that.
आप गलती कर रही हो, मुझे ऐसा लगता है.
I think that you are making mistake.
सर मैं गलती नहीं कर रही हूँ, मुझे पता नहीं मुझे क्या करना है.
Sir, I'm not making mistake. I don't know what to do.
Aradhya, I'm giving you a topic to speak. Your topic is importance of time management. Why we should manage our time in a proper way. Yes.
Because as we have proverb in English that time and tide doesn't wait for a man.
Yeah.
Because like if we doesn't do our work at time, so we cannot go back at the time, because like many of the people wants to go back the time because they have made many of the mistakes. But as we know that time doesn't wait for anyone, so we have to do our time. We have to manage our time properly and maintain it properly.
Okay. So time management is very important.
Yes, sir.
Between time and money, which is better to have? What do you think?
Sir, in my opinion, like if we lost money, we can earn it back. Because but if we lost time, we cannot.
That's great. Wow. Yes. What's your name?
My name is Omi Gohia.
Omni.
Omi.
Omi.
Yes.
What does it mean, Omi?
Sir, it means like the sound of universe. We have the shlok like the Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya.
Yes.
So this has been taken from Om.
Yes, sir.
So Om se bana hai Omi.
Yes, sir.
Wow. So Omi, who has given you such a unique and beautiful name?
Sir, my parents have given me this thing.
Wow. And Omi, we have a lot of questions to ask you. The first question is your journey with Persona. How many days you completed here?
Sir, I have completed here almost 3 months as I joined here like on 1st of April and like today it is 21st June, and I have like it was a great experience here. I have completely like changed myself because I was a girl who was not so much confident to speak enough in front of people.
Yeah.
But now I am so much confident to speak on the stage. I am so much confident in public speakings and like these kind of competitions.
Okay.
So I have changed myself and I have improved myself a lot.
Okay, Omi, I have noticed that you are such a
Yes.
studious girl, meritorious girl, who is very much serious towards her studies, no doubt. So I just want to know what is very important to have, being serious towards studies or being extrovert, talk with everyone, explore ourselves confidently, talk with the people. I mean, what kind of people you like most?
So as I talk about myself, I am not so much studious also.
Yeah.
Like I am like an average student. I would say
I have
that.
seen that you are very much serious in the class. Every time whenever we teach,
So
you
it's
don't talk
about-
with anyone, you just listen to things very carefully, observe the things, how the teachers are teaching.
Yes, sir. I believe that observation, like as like teachers say here, like observation is important.
Yeah.
So that kind of thing, I believe that observation and like we should focus on the things sometimes. And if there are the things to fun also, we should fun also with our friends and with our family. So I think that both the things are important. Like study is also important at its place, and fun is also important at its place.
The next thing, Omi, I just want to know about your future plans. What do you want to become?
Sir, I want to become a CA, Chartered Accountant.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what's your planning after 10th?
So my planning is like I will pursue commerce, and I should like I want to start studying from 11th onwards because we have like after 12th we have the foundation exam.
Yeah.
So I want to clear it like I want to start studying from 11th onwards.
That's great.
Yes,
Wow. I'm asking you a few sentences because I know you are surely going to translate them correctly. मैंने बोलना शुरू कर दिया है.
I have started speaking.
मुझे बोलना पसंद है.
I like to speak.
आपको क्या करना पसंद है?
What do you like to do?
आपने क्या बोला?
What did you speak?
क्या आप हमेशा बोलते रहते हो?
Do you keep speaking?
क्या आप हमेशा पढ़ाई करते रहते
Do
हो?
you keep studying?
आपको हमेशा बोलते रहना
You
चाहिए.
should keep studying. You should
बार-बार
keep
बोलो.
speaking. Speak again and again.
दूसरों के बारे में सोचो.
Think about others.
मैं वहाँ जाऊंगा.
I will go
मुझे
there.
वहाँ जाना नहीं पसंद है.
I don't like to go there.
ओके, मैं इंग्लिश सीखना चाहता हूँ.
I want to learn English.
मुझे इंग्लिश सीखने दो.
Let me learn English.
ओके, मैं आपको वहाँ नहीं जाने दे सकता बिना परमिशन के.
I cannot let you go there without permission.
Excellent job. Yes, what's your name?
My name is Shraddha.
Shraddha.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so Shraddha, your journey with Persona, how many days you have completed in Persona?
I have completed almost 2 months.
And in this 2 months, the kind of things that you have learned?
Yeah, I learned many things. It was great experience for me for joining Persona.
Okay.
When I joined Persona first day, I am in basic, and I was very nervous because I have never joined this type of institute before.
Yeah.
But after joining Persona,
Earlier, I think you used to go to the tuitions where you were
no,
taught like...
I have never.
You never went to tuition?
No.
So this is the first time you joined the coaching
Yes, that's
institute.
why I'm quite nervous at that
Okay.
time.
So how you used to study earlier? From school and at your home?
Yeah.
That's good.
Self-study.
That I'm talking with a girl who has never joined any coaching institute. Okay, Shraddha, in which class do you study?
I'm in 9th standard.
This year you are in 9th.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. So Shraddha, I'm asking you so many things and you have to answer. बोलते रहो.
Keep speaking.
बोलना अच्छी बात है.
Speaking is a good habit.
Speaking is good thing. यदि आप बोलोगे तो आप अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस कर पाओगे.
If you speak, you were able to express yourself.
You will be able to express yourself. बोलने की कोशिश करो.
Try to speak.
आपको समझना चाहिए.
You should understand.
मैं आपको बुलवाऊंगा.
I will make you to speak.
I will make you to speak या I will make you speak.
I will make you speak.
I will make you speak. मैं आपको नहीं बुलवा सकता क्योंकि आपको बुलवाना बहुत ही कठिन काम है.
I can't make you speak because making
It
you.
is very difficult task to make you speak. Because आपको बुलवाना बहुत ही कठिन टास्क है. मतलब
Because it is very hard task to make you speak.
It is very hard task to make you speak. Okay, आपको बोलना चाहिए.
You should speak.
मैं बोलूंगा.
I will
मैं
speak.
बोलता हूँ.
I speak.
मैं बोलना चाहता
I want to
हूँ.
speak.
आप कहाँ जाना चाहोगे?
Where will you want to go?
Where will you or where would you?
Where would you?
Where would you like to go?
Okay.
Where would you like to go? आप पढ़ाई क्यों करना चाहोगे?
Why would you like to study?
मुझे पढ़ाई करना पसंद है इसलिए मैं पढ़ाई करना
I
चाहता
like to study. That's why I study.
हूँ. स्टेज पर आओ.
Come on a stage.
दूसरों के बारे में सोचो.
Think about others.
क्या आप पढ़ाई करते हो?
Do you study?
Do you study? क्या आप आपकी फ्रेंड अनुष्का को जानते हो?
Do you know your friend Anushka?
हाँ, मैं उसको बहुत अच्छे से जानता हूँ. मेरी फ्रेंड है.
Yes, I know her very well because she is my friend.
क्या वो आपकी क्लासमेट है?
Is she your classmate?
Is she your classmate या is she is your classmate?
Is she your classmate?
हाँ, वो मेरी क्लासमेट है.
Yes, she is my
हम दोनों
classmate.
एक ही स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं.
We studied in same
We
school.
both, हम दोनों we both study in the same school. आपके स्कूल का नाम क्या है?
What's your school name?
मुझे नहीं पता.
I don't
आप
know.
कहाँ हो?
Where are
आप क्या
you?
चाहते हो?
What do you
आपने क्या
want?
देखा?
What
आप क्या
did you
बोलते
see?
हो?
What do you speak?
Okay, that's good. Shraddha, I have a simple questions to you. For a girl, what is very important to have? Beauty or brain? What do you think?
I think so. For being a girl, we should have brain because some decision of life, parents just burden on girl, and she just goes and the way that is not good for her. But if she has brain, she is able to take good decision for his life, and she is able to be an independent woman. As we all know that in Orthodox India, they do not allow women to be a girl, but we know that as a changing
But
world,
these
we
days,
should have brain.
Situation have completely changed. People are allowing the girls to study. They are allowing the girls for the higher studies. So we
Yeah.
cannot say that people are orthodox these days.
But many of village many of village people do not allow their female child to went to school, and they just married them earlier than age. That's why.
At
I
the
think.
tender age, the girls are forced to get married.
Yeah. After making a law, it is still done in. After making a law, it is still done in many villages, and it's illegal too.
Okay. So you believe that for a girl, brain is important, not
Yeah.
beauty.
Yeah, I believe that.
Okay. Yeah. What's your name?
Bisma Khan.
Vishma Khan.
Bisma Khan.
Bisma Khan. Okay. So Bisma, first let me know the meaning of Bisma. What does it mean?
It means happiness.
It means happiness. Wow, Bisma. It's a Arabic name,
Yes,
Urdu
sir.
name,
Yes, sir.
Urdu or Arabic?
Urdu.
Urdu name. Bisma, Khushi, happiness.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Bisma, we just want to know your days. How many days you completed in person?
I have completed almost 2 months. in
2 months you
person.
have completed. Okay. And what you like most in persona? Participating in debate, discussion, or learning grammar, public speaking. What do you like most? What is your favorite activity that you like most?
Public speaking I like the most.
Public speaking and
Public speaking and debates.
debates you like. Okay. So today I'm going to ask you a debatable topic. I just want to know about social media. Okay. What do you think? Should youngsters like you, especially the teenagers, should they use social networking sites or not? Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, like.
So in my opinion, teenagers should use social media wisely. Like there are many distractions and they cannot focus on their studies because of social media.
Yeah.
And there are cyber crimes also. Like many of the children does not aware of cyber crime, so they get trapped into the cyber crime. So it is harmful for them.
Okay. So you believe that they should not use social media?
Yes, sir.
Okay. One question I just want to know about: do you watch IPL?
Yes, sir.
Which is your favorite IPL match? IPL team?
RCB.
RCB. Okay, why do you support RCB?
Because my favorite player is Virat Kohli and he's in this team.
Is it right that because of Virat Kohli, RCB is liked? I think.
I think it is.
Okay, except Virat Kohli. Now RCB, who is your favorite player?
Maxwell.
Okay, but we have seen that when he play with his team Australia, then he plays well. But when he play with RCB especially, he doesn't perform well.
But I think I agree with you somewhere, but he do his best to the team.
He does his best. Okay. Chaliye, so we talked with these 5 extraordinary girls and they have replied very well. So Visma, I'm asking you few sentences that you have to reply.
Yes,
मुझे जाना है, मुझे बोलना है, मैं बोलूँगा. Louder, मुझे इंग्लिश सीखना है.
I want to learn English.
मुझे इंग्लिश सीखना है.
I want to learn English.
I have to learn English. मुझे पढ़ाई करनी है.
I have to
आप पढ़ाई
study.
क्यों करना चाहते हो?
Why you want to study?
Why do you want to study? आप इंग्लिश कैसे सीखोगे?
How will you learn English?
आपने इंग्लिश कैसे सीखी?
How did you
आप
learn
क्या
English?
चाहते हो?
What do you want?
आप क्या बोलोगे?
What will you
आप क्या
speak?
बोलना चाहते हो?
What do you want to speak?
What do you want to speak? That's great. A good clapping for all these 5 girls. Wow.